Soror, there you go. Soror is done. So your name is very big, Lakshman. I will write your name, Lakshman. Okay, there you go. And we have Rose done. And Azan, there you go. Azan, your name done. Sahel done. Who do we have next name? Soror is already done. You can have a look at your name over here. Azan is already done. We have Merve, Erin, done. Manas, there you go, Manas, your name done. We have Pushpam, there you go, Pushpam, your name done. We have Stan, there you go, Stan, your name done. Have a wonderful day. We have Sean, done. Baby, done. And we have Abrar, done. Come on, we have Pia in the chat. Just keep writing, everybody. Rebecca, there you go. Rebecca is done. Jasmina, there you go, Jasmina, your name done. Have a wonderful day. We have Anna, done. Serena, there you go, Serena. Thank you so much for subscribing the channel. We have Oliver, done. Ali, done. Who do we have next? Selma, there you go, Selma, your name done. And Tuba Umut, there you go, Tuba Umut is done. Thanks for joining. Menon, there you go, Menon, your name is done. Have a wonderful day. Sana, your name done. And Yusu, done. Sanika, there you go, Sanika, your name done. Have a wonderful day. Afreen, there you go, Afreen name is done as well. So who do we have next? Fi, there you go, Fi, your name done. We have Portia, there you go, Portia, your name done. Is it Portia or Portia? Let me know. Anya, there you go, Anya, your name done. Have a wonderful day. Ryan, there you go, Ryan, your name done. Thank you so much for joining and have a wonderful day, everybody. So you all can have a look at your names. Make sure you all subscribe the channel and do not forget to subscribe the channel, guys. Come on, I want everybody to keep writing your names in the comment section. Hurry up. There you go, we see people joining, more and more people joining. So we'll be changing the color by just mixing up these two colors like this. Javed, done. Han, done. We have Madad, done. Johanna, there you go, Johanna, your name done. Thank you so much for joining. Who do we have next name in the chat? Come on, everybody, keep writing. Chavi, there you go. Chavi name is done. There you go. Pushpa. And Sonika, there you go. Your both name is done. Lara Raj. There you go, Lara Raj. Your name done. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for joining. Shapata, there you go. Shapata done. Thanks for joining. Have a wonderful day. I'll be just keep writing your names. So Shreya, there you go, Shreya. Your name is done. And we have Bochon, done. There you go. Welcome, Wonhee. Thank you so much for joining back. There you go, Zed. Your name done. Have a wonderful day. So Patrick, done. Thank you so much for joining and have a wonderful day. Jaffa, there you go, Jaffa. Your name done. Jenny, there you go, Jenny, your name done. Thank you so much for joining. We have Iroha. Iroha is done. Thanks for joining. Who do we have next name in the chat? So I want everybody to keep double tapping on the screen, guys. Double tap on the screen once. So you'll be liking this video. If you like this video, please double tap on the screen. Sujal, there you go, Sujal, your name done. And there you go, Ayman, your name done. Mocha, done. Layla, there you go, Layla, have a wonderful day. We have Lisa, have a great day, Lisa. Mingu, there you go. Mingu is done, thank you. Wow, there you go, Wow is done. Come on, we have Rakesh, there you go. Rakesh is done. We have Yuna. Yuna is done. Krishna, there you go, Krishna, writing your name. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for joining. Who do we have next name? Jisoo, done, Jisoo. Next, Satyam, there you go, Satyam, your name done, and have a wonderful day. There you go, your name done. We have Elit, done as well. Thanks for joining, Elit. Rogue, there you go. Rogue is done. Rose done. Modi done. Diwakar, there you go, Diwakar. Your name is done. Thanks for joining. Money, there you go, Money. Your name done. Thank you so much for joining, and I hope everybody is having a very good day. So come on, guys, you all can have a look at your names. So just keep writing and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, I want everybody to keep writing your names and subscribe the channel. Let us just keep writing. So who do we have next name in the chat? Let's see. Who do we have next name in the chat? We have Mickey. There you go. Mickey Pandey. Done. Aradhna. Aradhna is done. And Kai, there you go. Kai, your name done. Swati, there you go. Swati is done. So we have Blackpink here. Thanks for joining. Have a wonderful day. Ahmad Iqbal. There you go, Ahmad Iqbal, your name done. Jory, there you go, Jory, your name done. We have Anash, there you go, Anash, your name is done. We have Ali in the chat, thanks for joining. Have a wonderful day. Aurora, done. We have Atul, there you go, Atul. And Swati, done. Have a wonderful day. We have Tanu, there you go, Tanu, your name done. And Kasun, there you go, Kasun, your name done. We have Ali again, there you go. Nazim, there you go, Nazim is done. So let me just mix these colors up. You'll see how it changes the colors. We have, so do you like Blackpink? I'm not sure what is Blackpink. Maybe it's a, so I heard somewhere it's a like team or group something, right? There you go, Kohli done. Kamran, there you go. Done. We have C, F, M, done. We have ASK and IC, done. Lara Raj, there you go, your name done. Again, thank you so much for joining. We have Tubaletto, thank you for joining. We have Aleph, there you go, Aleph. Tuba, thanks for joining. Have a wonderful day. Jongin, there you go. Jongin is done. Sumeha, done. We have Sonia, done. We have Jaya, there you go, Jaya, your name done. We have Jenny, there you go, Jenny, your name done. Have a wonderful day. We have, who do we have next name in the chat, guys? Come on, keep writing. I want everybody to keep writing. Rajwinder. Rajwinder, your name done. Thank you, Luana. Done as well. Thank you so much for joining. Have a wonderful day. So you all can have a look at your names, guys. Make sure you also subscribe the channel and just keep writing. So I don't want you to stop writing, guys. Come on, keep writing. So I will write as many names I can today. So just keep writing. We're gonna write some more names. Okay, so let's just keep writing. We have Savannah again. Savannah done. Memo done. We have Emanuska done. Dhruv done. Lulva done. There you go, Sunny, your name done. Thank you so much for joining. Zarat done. And Noor done. We have Kyati, there you go. Kyati done. Zimari done. Thank you so much for joining. We have Monica. There you go, Monica, your name done. Have a wonderful day. We have Anna done. We have Kai. We have Ram. Lizama, there you go, Lizama, your name done. Thank you so much for joining. We have Desina. Have a wonderful day, Desina. We have Leo done. We have Han. Jisung. Thank you so much for joining. We have Jojo Kakak. There you go. That's done. Thanks for joining. We have Afreen. Done. Sienna. There you go. Thank you so much for joining. Have a wonderful day. Sireya. Done. Thank you. Selencha. There you go. Selencha name is done. Rayshawn. There you go. Rayshawn is done. Next we have Rihanna. Done. Have a wonderful day. We have Coco. There you go, Coco. Your name is done. Adira. There you go, Adira. Your name done. We have Umish. There you go. Umish is done. There you go. We have Leo. There you go, Leo done. We have Diddy. Done. Next we have Viren. There you go, Viren. Your name done. Thanks for joining and have a wonderful day. So you all can have a look at your names, guys. Make sure you all subscribe to the channel.